Let's talk a little about the government and the role that inflation has played on the crypto markets and our monetary system as a whole. The US has printed 35% of the total US dollars ever put into circulation in 2021 alone, which would make all the sense in the world as to why we have record-breaking inflation right now. We've had the highest rise in the CPI, or the Consumer Price Index, in over 40 years. That's 4 decades, people. Now let's talk about what the lovely Biden administration is saying. The Biden administration has said that the 1.85 trillion with a T dollar spending program and tax cuts would slow the rate of inflation. But experts are super skeptical about the fact that printing more money is going to slow inflation. Like, what are we, stupid? Take a look at this M1 money supply chart real quick. Check this out. Okay. Pretty normal. Oh! You can sit on whatever side of the political playing field you want to. That is not going to turn out well. Okay, now some of you are going to say, listen, CryptoKeeper, you're cool and all, and I think you're really educated, but I'm not taking advice from you. And that's okay. So how about you take advice from somebody like, I don't know, Robert Kiyosaki, who wrote Rich Dad, Poor Dad? What do you think about taking it from him? Let's talk to him. Let's see what he says. Robert Kiyosaki is calling this, and I quote, fake inflation. He is blaming the Biden administration and the Fed for pushing fake inflation on people. Here, let me quote it. The Fed and Biden pushing fake inflation. Crash and depression coming. Gold, silver, Bitcoin, real estate will crash too. Ready to buy more gold, silver, and Bitcoin and real estate after the crash has happened. And then he says, time to get richer after fake inflation crashes. Be aware, take care. Here's the bottom line. Every action has a reaction. While long term, we believe as crypto investors that Bitcoin is a great hedge against inflation, in the short term, when things do crash, and they are going to at some point, Bitcoin's going to go initially with it. But here's the silver lining. If you have made good decisions, if you have been able to take profits, if you have been able to position yourself to be able to possibly buy real estate, buy gold, and obviously buy Bitcoin and other crypto assets, you are going to be able to buy and hold when this crash happens. And listen, you are going to win.